how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Cloudflare pages. So you can go ahead and prepare both your Cloudflare account and your GoDaddy domain. You really don't need to set up the website. As long as you have the information for your domains, then that's pretty much enough. But anyways, once you have your GoDaddy domain, including its host name, and then a few details later on so that you can set it up much easier in your Cloudflare, you can go directly to your page. So we're gonna find whichever page you want to put in your GoDaddy domain. So it should be directly here in your pages. And oops, once we're there, go ahead to domains and routes, or you could go ahead into the settings, which you'll find the same thing, and then just go ahead and press on add over here. And then you can put in your custom GoDaddy domain in this section. So connect your worker to a domain or subdomain within a Cloudflare zone. Now you could map a URL pattern to your worker, but that depends on what you're looking for. In our case, we're gonna put in the custom domain for now, and then just go ahead and put in your host name. Now this was a little different from before in Cloudflare. It was somewhat a bit more hidden, but now it's just directly over here. And then once you put in your host name, that's when you'll be able to fill in the rest of the details from your GoDaddy domain. So press an add domain over here, and then later on you'll be able to finish the setup. But that's the general idea on how you will be able to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Cloudflare page. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.